So if you're getting this error while you're in the Epic Games Launcher, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. First, you just need to go to the Epic Games website and download the launcher. So after downloading the launcher here, you just need to go to your task manager. So just right click on the taskbar and open the task manager. And after that, you just need to click on here, run new task. Then here you just need to click on browse and go to the downloads option. And if you don't find your Epic Games installer, you just need to click on this programs option to all files. And here now you can see the Epic installer here, which I just downloaded. Click on it and click on open. And make sure to check mark this, create these tasks with administrative privileges. Now just click on OK and the installer will open, and you just need to click on install and it will start to install on your PC without any bugging, and then it will just download the application, and now you can log in into your account and you can play the Epic Games Launcher. But if this doesn't work for you, there's another solution for you. Just go to the Microsoft Store and search the Epic Games Store from the Microsoft Store and download the Epic Games Store from Microsoft Store. So just click on install and it will automatically download and install on your PC. It's the older version of the Epic Games Launcher which has no bugs. It will also work on your PC. So if the first solution doesn't work for you, you can download the Epic Games Launcher from the Microsoft Store. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.